So in this video, we're going to look at how to use a secondary tier of sequencer. In other words, we're just going to use another piece of gear. We're going to be using the Novation SL MK3 as an example. Now, this is a secondary sequencer. You can use a circuit or any other gear that can trigger and send notes and CC information. I put a link to the template video just in case you want to know how this is set up. In short, this is all my MIDI synthesizers are set up per section, and there's 12 different sections here, and I made it so that I can access all of them very quickly. So this is set up in 4 bars. So if I zoom out here, we can see each bar here, 4 bars. So going over here, we have the Bass Station 2, and currently it's set to 16 steps. Let's say I want this to go over the 4 bars, and just to do it from this one area here. So we're gonna go to Options, Rate Sync, I'm gonna change it to 1/4. And now I'm gonna stop this and play it again because I want it to make sure it's synchronized. Okay, so if you look over here, you can see it going the same rate as if you look over here. So we're gonna start off with Bass Station 2. I have that already set up with a bass sound. I want these first 4 to be this note, these 4 to be this note, and then these 8 to be this note. Okay, so that's all set up. Now let's say I want the System1, and I want it to play every 2 bars. I want it to repeat. So I'm gonna go in here and change that to 1/8. Okay, so right down here I want these notes to play. I'm gonna enter in these notes here, right here. So as you can see, you can time out things. Let's just add some snares and hits. Okay, let's say we like that. What I'm gonna do is zoom out here, and we're also going to record this cutoff as it's playing, so it has a little bit of variation. So I'm pressing record. You can see the notes coming in. Now let's add some variation on the bass on the cutoff. Okay, so that's all recorded in. Let's say I like that, and I want to move on to the next section. So what I would have to do here is, I'm going to go into Sessions here, and I press Shift, and then just go to a clear section, and that clears it all out. And I'm gonna go back into the original session. Back into steps, we can see it's all clear now. And then I'm going to go section 2 up here. So let's just make something up. Let's just record that in. I'm going to scroll down to it so you can see it drawing in. I'm turning the CC. Turn it off. So let's just mess around and see what comes out of this.